Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Crouthamel, and welcome to my course, Wireless Technology Fundamentals. I'm a senior network engineer and educator. This course is an introduction to 802.11 technologies and supporting infrastructure. Some of the major topics include 802.11 frames, CSMA CA and how clients connect to a wireless network, radio resource management, and finally, configuration of access points and controllers. By the end of this course, you will learn how to properly utilize equipment to implement a small wireless network and how clients access that network while preventing collisions. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic network technology or have your CCNA certification. From here, you should feel comfortable configuring and diagnosing wireless network equipment in support of wireless networks. I hope you'll join me in this journey to learn about the 802.11 standard and supporting infrastructure with the Wireless Technology Fundamentals course at Pluralsight.